Hey guys, it's Indigo here, and I'm super sorry I haven't been uploading because today was my grandpa's surgery. I got a little bit of time to do stuff with you guys right now. First, like today to a week, I won't be able to film any videos whatsoever. I'll make a video when I get back, so I'm going to be like making videos and I'm going to have them up to upload when I'm gone. So that's why there's going to be videos, but yeah, if you're seeing this video, hugs! Even if she's probably not. But today I went out shopping for a little bit before I went to my grandpa's surgery. I got lots of containers, 6 things of glue. Is a lot of stuff. But for my slime smoothie, I got 2 containers. And then my slime smoothies right here. And we still got my magic liquid. So I was thinking, why not make some slime? And then I'm going to make some slime off camera. I'm going to add stuff. So you guys are going to be seeing this slime yang. So yay! Okay, I'm going to go into my drawer that's right here. That has all my stuff in it. Let's use this for some scent. This first be lemon plus lavender. Let's going to do a couple of squirts. There. It's pretty strong. That my glue. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I said 6 things of Elmo glue. Yeah, really. Can you guys do the math for me? Please. I don't want to do math. It's summer break. I'll do if no one does in school. Okay, so if one big bottle, that'd be like, I don't know how many little bottles. So a gallon, and each one of these are 4 fluid ounces. So 4 equals how many? 4 ounces equals how many gallons? Take that times $10.50. So I don't know. So then I'd be able to see if it's cheaper just buy these and refill it or buy new ones. So yay. So that way I have more money to spend on stuff to put into it. Ah! You guys can't really see it too well. Should my mic down? I should probably have my mic down. Is my mic even on? Yeah, it's on. Right here's where you have song off. Okay. Thinking what I'm going to add to this slime. Trust me, stuff's fucking weird. I have lots of slime smoothies. So yay. Obviously, because I'm like, who would like slime smoothies? Forgot to grab the fork. So I'm gonna mix the scent thing in here. So I'm going to set it right here because I don't have anyone to help me. And it's kind of difficult to pull with one hand. I'll try. That was a lot. Dude, how much do I have left? Right there. I've used a lot. Right there. Hi. I changed the chair. Just because I can lean back now. Maybe if I nope. Not what I was going to say. So I have a mix. I'm going to talk to you guys. So basically, I have to leave at 4 and I have no clue what time it is right. It's 2:51. Okay, I got a couple of hours. I got like 1 hour before I have to leave. For like 7 days. Yes, 7 days. No, wait. 6 or 7. 1 and 2. I'll just make a video and I'm back. Say, hey guys, I'm back and we're going to be doing tons of fun stuff. I'm going to start thinking of stuff to do. Because I'm going to my grandma's and get a vlog. So, I'll just see if I can get anything at Great Wolf Lodge and then show you guys it. That sounds pretty good to me. I mean, like, most of the stuff that I do, I give to my cousins. So. Yay. That's probably too much. But I don't really care too much. Because it's already been 6 minutes. How? I remember 6:42. Looking at the dot. Guys can't really see the liquid too well. This is definitely too much. I have an idea of how to save it. This I'm going to have to use both hands for. I'll try and make it so you guys can see. In case you don't know what I'm doing, I'm trying to get rid of activator to get it to go into here. There we go. That's a lot right there. So it's not completely activated yet because look at this, it's not pulling itself off. It's just sliding around, not sticking. Okay, I think I just added, like, took it out just the right amount. And it smells good. I might get on the way. So, I'm sorry, guys. My mom's this sorry. Never mind. Alright, let me think of something to do. Something that I haven't put in, like a story. I have a question for you guys. I'm going to have a debate. There's 3 answers. Just grab a piece of paper and write them down. Have you seen neither, so N, S for Sonic for your favorite TV show, or drumroll please? I forgot what I was going to say. Okay, so number 1, neither. Number 2, S for Sonic. So N, S, T for Teen Titans. It's probably going to be more T's than anything. Who knows? I like Sonic personally, so I'm going to leave a comment saying S, please. See how many Sonics, N's, S, N's, and T's we can get. I'm going to redo the video footage if I, yeah. That's my sound audio off, which I'm starting to think I did. If I did. And also I need to remind myself to turn my sound audio down a little bit, because I talk, I thought they are annoying, but apparently isn't SMR. And a lot of people are like, 20 days for you. I honestly don't. Lift up the mic a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So if I didn't know how my sound audio on, another video time. Well, this one won't go waste because I make this long. Just I'm personally a really big fan of Sonic. I know that JJ isn't. He said so. Dude. Big stab in the heart. I mean, like, honestly. I am a tomboy, and I don't know any other people besides Carrie that's a tomboy with me. So all my friends' birthday parties, they're Goldie. So, but a lot of my friends, I mean, like, none. Carrie's my only friend. I'm like, yeah, Carrie's pretty much. Now, if you're watching this, the blank person, do not leave a hate comment. I will talk to you in person while you are no longer blank. Blanky, blank, 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 blank. And have any of you guys seen Sonic X? Because I'm like, I'm watching the series right now. Honestly, for like an hour. 2 hours. I got here at 12. So that means it is about like 3 to 2 hours, pretty much. So I've been making this video for like 12 minutes. So, here's my slime. I'm gonna keep working on other slimes off camera. Bye, I guess.